Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to add gradient background in Wix website. Adding a gradient background for a section or for a strip is pretty easy process. Just follow me to do it. First of all, let's add a gradient background color in a strip. So as you can see, I've selected my strip. Once you've selected your strip, just click on change background, and here you have to click on color. Now you have to select gradient, and to change your gradient, click on this linear option, and from here you can select radial gradient. You can also select conic gradient and linear gradient. So I'm selecting here linear gradient, and here you can change your gradient position or location. Now to change your gradient color, first of all select this first color and click on this color box, and here select a different color. And to change your second gradient color, click on this color box, click on color, and select a different color for your second gradient color. And now you can also change your color height using the slider. Select the first gradient color to change your color height. You can also add opacity, and now you can also add a fluid gradient to your Wix website. In fluid gradient, you will be able to add 4 different colors to make a gradient color. And now let's see how to add gradient background in a section. So here's some scrolling down, and now let's add a new section here. Selecting blank section. Okay, once the section added, select the section, and the same way click on change background and click on color and select gradient. From here you will be able to select a gradient, or to make your default gradient, just select the first color, click on this color box, select your first color, select your second color, add your second color. So that's it. This is how we can add gradient background in Wix website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.